Bears took control yesterday. Nandito tayo sa SR Flip area, battleground between Bulls and Bears. Monday candle, tinatch natin. Tuesday candle, we got rejected na. Look at this, no? Eksakto sa SR Flip area. Hindi niya nga lang tinamaan yung gusto kong patamaan sa kanya, which is yung tip ng cloud. Hindi niya na tinamaan. So obviously, ito po, the Bears are in control. We have to watch out dun sa 100K area. I think we never close below 100, no? Oo, okay. The last time that we closed below 100 was May. Last May pa. After that, wala na. We never closed below 100. Ito po yung 100K. Oh. Daily close to. We never closed below 100 pala. So this will be a crucial time for Bitcoin on a technical perspective. As long as we don't close below 100, goods pa tayo dyan. But once we close below 100, there might be a shift na. Baka makakita tayo ng shift. Makikita mo tong cloud, duminipis na eh. Baka mag-red cloud to sa one day. Tagal ng green cloud niya sa one day. When was the last time it turned red? June 2022. June 2022. It turned red. Yan po, no? Yung sabi natin, numinipis, no? Actually, ito yung gusto ko makita, yung itouch niya. Yan, tinouch niya yung cloud. Ito, hindi pa natin tinatouch ngayon eh. So, this was December 2021. Yung tinouch niya yung cloud. And then, pagdating ng June, red cloud na tayo. Ay 2022. Pag nagpalit na yung cloud na yan, panipis na, magre-red cloud yan. So, crucial for me yung 100K level. So, we have to watch out itong price action ni Bitcoin.